Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe, help me change the world one electric car at a time. And thank you to all my patrons and those who ordered a Tesla using my link. Thank you so much. And today is August 1 and numbers for electric car sales are out. I'm going to focus on the Tesla cars, Model S, Model X and Model 3. And later on in this week, when all the numbers are in, I will do another video for all the numbers, but the Tesla numbers are out and they are significantly lower sales this month, the month of July. Obviously August is for the month of July, than the month of June. And of course there's an explanation for that, and we will see how it's going to affect the stock, if any. It's down today so far midday by $4.50 or so last time I checked. And I have to say that the numbers are low. I'm going to give it to you compared to last month. So let's go over the numbers side by side and then we'll try to analyze them. So for the month of July, Tesla sold altogether 14,650. The vast majority, as always, is the Model 3's 13,450, Model X 1,225, and Model S 975. So for the year, Tesla Model 3 sold 81,100, Model X 10,225, and Model S 8,281. Interestingly enough, that the X has more sales, over 2,000, about 2,000 than the S, which is the X is a much more expensive car than the S. For the year, Tesla so far sold 99,606 for the year. So these are the numbers so far. Now last month, the month of June, Model 3 sold 21,225. That's amazing. 2,725 for the X and 1,750 for the S. So altogether for the month of June, this is only United States number, at 25,700 for the month of June. And so obviously significantly more than the month of July. And basically, if you look, I looked at the numbers in at the next month after each quarter. So you have first quarter, January, February, March. So the numbers in April was significantly low than March, and so on and so forth. July, then obviously the last month of each quarter, there is a big, huge push for sales. The most deliveries happen, everything, all hands on board, all hands on deck in the last month of every quarter. So this is the pattern. That's how it goes. If you see the month of December in 2018 compared to the month of January, the numbers are staggeringly different. Well, obviously there was tax incentives change and all that end of the year. So I don't think these numbers are going to affect the stock at all, because the most important numbers are earnings, investments, projections, outlook. So the Tesla stock went up in the last few days by more than $14, giving back a little bit. So these are the numbers. That's it. These are the numbers for the month of July. I predict that August would be more, and September would be much more. Tesla is on the path of reaching that magic number of 300,000 and 360,000. 400,000 might be a stretch, maybe out of reach, but we'll see. China is coming online soon, so we'll see. So what I'll give you is only the numbers in the United States. Once the numbers from Europe and the rest of the world come, which usually takes longer time, takes maybe a week or so, or even more sometimes. It just takes time for those numbers to register in, and we'll see how Tesla does in Europe. I've been updating you on this channel on Europe sales all the time, and the domination is total and complete of Tesla Model 3s in Europe. China not yet as much because the factory is not there, but should be starting in November, the producing and selling. So low volume at the beginning and then more and more. So we'll see what happens. Most important thing is maintaining good margins and continue in investing in the infrastructure and the preparation and the production and deliveries to achieve total and complete domination when everybody's going to join in. But we'll see what happens. Okay guys, that's it. You'll get a lot more updates this week about these topics, about sales and all that, Europe, China later on. So stay tuned. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you tomorrow, guys.